Hey there, lovelies. It's your girl April coming to you with another weekly Forex analysis. So the pairs that we're going to be going over this week are going to be Nzdusd, which I'm actually in on a trade. With that one, I'm in on a long position for that at 0.6496. And then the other pair is going to be Pound USD, which I'm also in a long position at 1.2592. And then the last pair that we're going to cover is EURAUD, and that one is going to be a short opportunity for those of you who are interested in that. So let's start with Nzdusd. And of course, you know how I do my analysis. I always do the top-down analysis starting from the monthly and then going down from there, looking for areas of opportunity, which would be areas of consolidation, and you want to look for those between the 1 to 4 hour time frame. Okay, so with this particular pair, its primary trend is currently a downtrend because, as you can see here, the uptrend was surpassed. It was passed, then tested. It tried to go back into its original uptrend, but then there was rejection and a huge bearish candle, huge bearish engulfing candle, and then so on. But in this area, we see pretty good rejection point, and so now the pair is at a minimum going to at least attempt to get to this trend line and test it to see if it's going to be able to conquer it. But the next major level of resistance is going to be right here, which is that 0.6696 area. Okay, so, and as you can see here, it was able to conquer the resistance level of 0.6256. So yep, so again, like I said, next area of resistance is going to be that 0.6696. So for this particular pair, usually on a weekly basis, price action retraces about half of its original move, but sometimes, depending on the momentum, it doesn't. So with this particular pair, I can't really tell you how it's going to react. But if you're not already in and it continues to just go up to try to test this area of resistance, I'd probably hold off just to see if this level is conquered, because it is, you know, so close to reaching that level of resistance. You don't want to get in at the wrong time. But then if you're trading on the lower time frames and you don't mind getting out and getting in within a short period of time, sure, go ahead, take it. Make sure that you're looking for those levels of opportunity or consolidation. So consolidation will be stuff like this. Personally, I think it's a little bit easier to see on like the day time frame. So consolidation, here you have this huge range of consolidation previously before it conquered the 0.6109, but again, we've passed that, so now just kind of seeing how far it's going to retrace, if it even retraces by a lot. Next pair is going to be Pound USD. So with this one, let's go to the monthly. And as you can see here, this particular pair is currently on a downtrend. There's a huge window of opportunity right here because we actually have a window of wide open space. It conquered the 1.2616, so let's see if that holds for the month and continues to go up. But if you look at this pair on a weekly, you'll see it had a pretty strong weekly bullish candle. What's most likely going to happen is it's going to try to retest this level, this 1.2616, and then most likely continue upward. So that would be, you know, a window of opportunity for you to get in. And like I said, you have about 500 plus pips of wide open space here. Just a quick review. Wide open space is just basically one level of previous support or resistance to another level of previous support and resistance, and we determine that based off of previous history. So yeah, so before it gets to this level of resistance, for about a little bit more than 500 pips worth of pips to collect. So with this one, also look for areas of opportunity to get in when you see consolidation. So right here, you had a huge range of consolidation right here. Just paying attention, see if it retests the 1.26 and hold. Otherwise, it could possibly go back into this level of consolidation and then continue on upward. But we'll only be able to tell through time. All right, so the last pair is going to be EURAUD. And with this one, as you can see, it is currently still within its uptrend, right? Still there. But its primary trend is the uptrend, but its secondary trend is actually this downtrend right here. And there's a lot of bearish momentum. So with this particular pair, I would not try to get in on a long. I would only stay short at least until you got to this level right here, this 1.5521, and then see if it actually tries to test this trend line and whether or not it holds and goes up or it breaks and goes down. We'll only be able to tell that also through time, but basically between the 1.5235 and 1.5183 is where we want to look for whether or not this trend reversal is going to happen. And again, same as the other pairs, you want to look for those windows of opportunity when you see consolidation. Like right here, it's starting to consolidate. So it may go as high as, let's see, 1.6360 would be, if you're lucky, would be the highest. But yeah, so just continue and look for those levels of consolidation and then short this particular pair. So those are my three go-to pairs. Again, I'm in on NZD/USD and Pound USD. I really hope you guys are learning from these videos. I hope you like these videos. You can support me on YouTube by liking, comment, and subscribing, of course. And if you want to see more videos like this or want to see more in-depth training, webinars, Q&As, please contribute to my Patreon account and become a Patreon subscriber. For those particular subscribers, I have special, just particularly, things for those people. Because basically, you guys are the reason I'm able to help make even more videos and help educate people. And hopefully you guys can get to a point of financial independence and freedom and continue teaching others and know that Forex isn't that hard. It really just takes the time and the motivation to learn, and then just once you get it, give back. That's all I ask. Again, thanks for watching, and deuces.